so-called warriors?
You can't. I mean, they are in the middle of a top secret meeting right now, and they really should not be disturbed now. Right, guys?
Oh, could you excuse me, please?
Wait, please, don't go!
I'm not going anywhere. What is going on? Flick! Flick! Oh, I knew it.
Wait, please, don't go! Wait, what was that? No, you can't go! I'm desperate!
Really? I couldn't tell.
Come on, Lee.
Mother, Flick is up to something.
Okay, Flick, I'm put down now. Get him off me. He's cutting off the circulation of my foot. Get go.
Please, don't go!
Put the stick down. Flick, I mean it now. Drop the stick. Drop it.
Boy, he runs fast for a little guy. Wait!
This way. There they are. Apart! Oh, stop! My baby!
I got you.
I can't see.
Somebody do something! Are they all right? Can anyone see? Are they alive?
I can't see.
What is happening? Don?
Good heavens, they're in trouble.
Yes, I've got an idea.
Here, I've got it.
Wake up!
Mr. Earlybird! How about a nice, tasty roll on a stick? I'm going to snap. That's the juicy, succulent.
Let's go. There they are! Okay. It's going to be okay, Don.
Bye-bye, Birdie! Help! I'm stuck! Put it out! Snell!
The caterpillar's using himself as live bait.
How brave! Suck it in, man! Ow! My leg!
The bird! What is that?
That, my friends, is the sound of a close.